Hello, this is Garrett Keane. This is the second video in the solution of the traverse problem. What I'm going to look at in this video is the angular misclosure of the survey and the adjusted angle. So we have four measured angles here in the traverse survey. There's going to be some inaccuracy within them, so we have to work that out and then distribute any error between the four angles. Okay, so if I go to a spreadsheet, I have the four angles measured here. So what we need to do first of all is to add up the four angles. So if you just want to add up these, if you're adding up the four angles, start off by just adding up the four values for the seconds here. So you can either do all of this with a calculator yourself, or I'll go through it step by step. So if I add up these four angles here, if you want to try it yourself, you can pause and do it, but now I'm about to reveal the answer. So it's 136. Now, if you remember that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes and 60 minutes in 1 degree. Because we have 60 seconds in 1 minute, we have 136 here, so 2 times 60 is 120. So what that means is that we're going to have 16 seconds and we're going to carry over 2 full minutes for the other 120. So if I reveal that now, we have 2 here and we have an angle down here of 16 seconds in our total angle. So we're going to carry forward 2 full minutes. Our next job is to add up these four. So if you want to give that a go yourself, or if you haven't used the calculator, you can work them out. Otherwise I'll reveal the answer now. And you can see that these add up to 118. So now if I add 118 and 2 together, that's exactly 120 minutes. 120 minutes is exactly 2 degrees, so we should get 0 in here and carry forward 2 full degrees, which is correct. If I then come in here and add up these four, once again you can pause and try it yourself. If not, I'll reveal it now. It's 358, and you can see when I add that together we're getting 360. So our final angle is 360 degrees, 0 minutes and 16 seconds. The formula for a closed traverse is given here, 2 times n minus 4 times 90. This tells you what the actual angle should add up to. So we have a 4-sided traverse, so we put in 4 for n. 2 times 4 is 8, minus 4 gives you 4. 4 times 9 is 360 degrees. So you can see here that the angular disclosure is basically our angle here minus 360 degrees. Our angles are slightly too great by 16 seconds, so if I work this out, we have basically a surplus of 16 seconds. So what do we do with that? Well, we have to distribute it between, we have 4 angles, so we have to distribute it between the 4 of them, but because we're plus 16, we're 16 seconds too much, we have to take away 4 seconds from each angle. So that gives us a error, or an adjustment of minus 4 seconds from each angle. So what you can do now is you can pause it, and basically, if you want to, and take 4 seconds away from each of these angles, and that should give us the corrected angles. So if you can pause it now, I'll just reveal the answers if you don't want to work them out yourselves. You can see the first angle here is 87 degrees, 5 minutes and 46 seconds, taking away the 4 degrees there. Likewise, the next angle we're going to take away 4 seconds here, so you can see it's 111 degrees, 48 minutes and 12 seconds. The next one will be 97, 47 and 55, which is correct. And the next one you take away 4 seconds there, so 63, 18, 67. Now what I've done in the next exercise, you can give it a go yourselves, but I'll just reveal it. I basically have added the 4Ds up again, using the same idea of adding up each seconds and carrying forward the figures. Once again, your calculator will do all of that automatically if you want, but if I just reveal it here, we can see that these 4 corrected angles add up exactly to 360 degrees, so they've been corrected in the correct manner. Okay, thanks for listening. I will continue the traverse solution in the next video.